Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can link or connect pages within your account and workspace in a plain project management app. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so navigate to your page here in your workspace and plain. Let me go to the test page. And the only way I have found out how this works is to simply click into a new line here where I'd like to link, for example, to another page, and to enter the command slash and then link, and you will see these three options. So embed work item and page, select page, and that is going to create a new page. Now you can, for example, click into it, and that is going to add the given page as a sub page to this one, so that you may, for example, click into it and you will be redirected to it, so that you may here customize and edit it. Give it a title, enter your commands, like, I don't know, adding tables or a bulleted list, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you link pages in the plain project management application with each other. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.